Hello, this is Dr. Tanvi Joshi, a practicing homeopath in Mumbai. While you are watching this video, it might be you or your loved ones who could be suffering from COVID 19 infection and have been advised to follow home quarantine due to mild symptoms. As per the advisory and guidelines from the Ministry of Health of Government of India, patients with mild COVID infection can be managed at home with symptomatic medication and with proper care. We know that COVID 19 70 to 80% of the times the infection could be mild and you will be recover within few days. I am going to talk about a few different aspects which will enhance your speedy recovery. First, take proper rest while maintaining your daily routine. Get up on time, shower once or twice a day, wear clean and washed clothes every day, and maintain a level of activity. Move about 10 to 15 minutes in your room for 2 to 3 times every day. This will keep you refreshed and keep the blood circulation in your legs and will prevent the chances of deep vein thrombosis, which can be happen by prolonged resting. Second is diet. The diet should be easy to digest, but should have all the required nutrients. Have about 2 to 3 liters of liquid like warm water, tea, coffee, milk, etc. In the diet, you should have all the nutrients like cereals, protein, and fruits full of vitamin C, and all the seasonal fruits will also very good for your recovery. You can have turmeric, ginger, honey in your diet as supplements to your food to boost your immunity. During COVID infection, the main organ which takes the brunt are your lungs. So, to keep your lungs in good shape, you can do two things. First, try to lie down on your tummy. Lying down on the stomach will improve and open your lungs. While resting, put a pillow under your tummy to make yourself comfortable. But be careful of not doing this immediately after consuming your food. Third is deep breathing exercise. That can be done with the help of spirometer, or you can take a normal birthday balloon. Blowing balloons will keep your lungs in good shape and function. It will improve the oxygenation. Because of COVID 19 infection, your throat may feel scratchy and sometimes have severe pain. To relieve the pain, irritation, and to reduce the viral load into your throat secretions, it is very important to gargle 3 times a day after having your food with normal, warm, salty water. Mental health is equally important in COVID 19 infection. For speedy recovery, please don't panic. Stay very positive, stay away from negativity, stop watching negative news rather than invest your time in resting, reading books, listening to the music, and if time permits, connect with your friends over phone or video chat. Please do not panic at all. When you're looking after yourself at home, you need two equipments. First is pulse oximeter. You can measure your pulse rate and oxygen level in your blood. Second is thermometer. And the last one is blood pressure apparatus. Keep your record of your symptoms as well as your temperature, oxygen levels, and pulse for at least 2 to 3 times a day. It will help your doctor to take right decision about your health. While using pulse oximeter, there should not be any nail paint on your fingernails. Nails should not be broken, and use the finger which fits just into the pulse oximeter, which will neither be too small or nor be too large. Your hand should not be shaking, so give it a few seconds to stabilize, and once you see good stable pulse form, then you record the initial reading. There are few warning symptoms. First is high grade of persistent fever beyond 3 days. Second is oxygen saturation less than 95% on room temperature. Third is systolic blood pressure going very low, like less than 80. Fourth is feeling dehydrated. Fifth is having dark colored urine. Sixth is abdominal pain, which is severe. And seventh is confused state of mind. In this condition, please contact your doctor immediately. Do not leave your room and house until and unless it is very necessary for medical reasons only. Do not discontinue your home quarantine until and unless advised by your doctor. Do not share your toothpaste, towel, napkins, clothes, bed sheets with anybody, and wash these things only in warm water. There are many homeopathic remedies which will recover you from such symptomatic condition in COVID-19 infection. But there is no specific medicine for this. Please ask your homeopath for proper medication. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.